with me? Oh, you want to lay down too? Here, I'll give you a belly rub. He does that when he wants a belly rub. Oh, you're such a good boy. Why do we do that to our pets? You're such a good boy. Max, I mean, I know all dogs love belly rubs, but he is obsessed with belly rubs. And the funny thing is that he didn't like them at first. I feel like this is kind of a new thing as he gets older. He loves the belly rubs. Oh my God, you're so cute. Okay, so yesterday I did a big unboxing on my Instagram stories. I can't talk. And then today I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 new packages. So we're gonna unbox that. Maybe I'll unbox it for you guys here or IG stories. I don't know. I like unboxing on IG stories just because it's quicker, especially if you're not really into watching them, because I know a lot of the same influencers, we get the same packages, so it could get kind of boring. So that's why I usually do it on like Instagram stories, because I can tag everything for you guys. So I don't know. If it's something really cool, I'll show you here on the blog. If not, it'll be on Instagram and Snapchat. That's why you guys gotta go follow me on Snapchat. I did get groceries. I got groceries. We're gonna make some healthy meals. And I'll show you guys what I picked up. I went to 2 different supermarkets. I went to Trader Joe's and then I went to Giant Supermarket. So I'll just show you guys what I got at each of the stores. Where are my slippers? I was filming this morning and I left my slippers in this room. I got up super early to film. I think I finished filming at like, I did this makeup look, which probably doesn't look all that great right now because it's been a few hours, but I got up early to film this makeup look for Valentine's Day. Then I had to go to my waxing appointment. You know, that's always fun. And then I did groceries, picked up my packages from the office, and now I'm back. It's 1:40 right now. Let's put you guys on the tripod so we can do a little grocery haul. All right, let's show you guys what I got at Trader Joe's first. Are you guys too far? Come on over, honey. Yeah, why was I gonna film with you guys so far? So I got this mix of greens. It has baby kale, baby red chard, baby spinach, baby collard greens, baby mizuna, and freeze. I'm probably saying that really wrong, but I got a mix of it because I specifically wanted kale and spinach so that I can throw onto my smoothies actually, because I wanted to start adding kale as well. So we're actually gonna make a smoothie also for lunch. We got some zoodles. These are zucchini noodles, which you can buy already spiralized, or you can spiralize it yourself, but I'm lazy, so I like to buy it like this. And basically I'm gonna make a pasta out of this. Instead of using pasta, we're gonna use zucchini noodles. So then you're basically just eating veggies. We got some cauliflower rice. I've never made it, so I'm hoping it tastes good. I love eating rice and beans, but I feel like the rice is so carb heavy. So I'm gonna try to make cauliflower rice with beans instead of rice beans. I hope it'll taste good. We got some bananas, tomato basil sauce. We're gonna add this to the zucchini noodles, and some almond milk. I'm gonna add this to my smoothie today. Then at Giant Supermarket, I got beans, coffee creamer. I got this almond milk coffee creamer. This time I got the caramel flavor. I usually get vanilla, but I'm getting kind of bored of it. I need to switch it up. Not so healthy, but I got some juice. Berry punch. I've never tried this, but it's just cilantro already chopped up, which if you're lazy like me, it just saves you so much time. Gardein. This is the beefless ground beef. Beefless ground beef. I think I've had this before, or I think I actually, no, I haven't had this one. I had the Beyond Meat beefless ground beef. So we're gonna try this. I think I'm gonna add it to my zucchini pasta and see how I like it, but I have high hopes. I think it's gonna be really yummy. So I'm gonna make a smoothie for lunch because I'm getting hungry, but I don't want to have something too heavy. And then for dinner, I'm gonna make my zucchini pasta, and I'll probably make the whole thing and just save it, and I can have it for lunch tomorrow. thought it was gonna come out more green, but it came out kind of like purplish. I think because I added a little more blueberries than I normally do. And I added the greens. So let's see how it tastes. It's really good. Really good. Max, oh my God, you're so obsessed with me. He's like about to lick my eyeball. I'm sorry, do I taste good to you? The last vlog we left off on was when I had my terrible accident running after Max. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just watch the previous vlog right before this one when Max took off. And I fell so hard, you guys. I'm still dealing with my injuries. Like, I didn't vlog that whole weekend because I got here Friday. It's Tuesday now, but I got here Friday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I was in so much pain. I had the worst stiff neck. Like, I could not move. My entire body was sore. Like, my ribs, like everything, my chest, because I felt like face front. Thank God, like, my face didn't touch the floor, because I cannot even imagine like how much more painful that would have been. But everything hurt, and I got scrapes like on both knees, but there's a really bad one on my right knee that's still healing, still hurts, and I have a bad one on my left elbow, which is also very painful and still healing. And I had a massage scheduled for today, actually, that I pushed it back to Friday because I'm hoping Friday I'll feel a lot better. Like, today I'm already feeling better. Like, my whole body doesn't hurt. But just because, like, when you're getting a massage, like, you know, they massage your arms and legs, and like if you have to lay on your stomach, I don't want to lay on the knee because it hurts a lot. Like, it's very tender, that scrape that I got. Like, it's bad. Like, a whole chunk of my knee came off. I'm exaggerating, but you know. Why are you the cutest thing ever? That's why you get away with everything. Oh my God. So cute. Don't mind that mess over there. Like, the unboxing that I did yesterday, that's all the cardboard that I have to throw out. And I need Chris's help because, oh, this lighting. I need Chris's help because it's a lot to load into my car. So. I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I really want to get rid of all the boxes and throw them out in the trash. I don't even know what I just said. Throw the boxes out in the trash. But I think I am gonna post it on IG stories. Just because I feel like it's so boring to watch on a vlog. Garnier sent me so much cute stuff. If you guys want to see these unboxings, make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram because that's where they will be posted. But they send me so much stuff that I have to leave everything in the boxes for now until I figure out where I can even place it all. Crazy. It's honestly a blessing to be able to check out so many different beauty brands that you love and to try out their new products. It's always so much fun. We're making our zoodles right now. Literally, it's just zucchini noodles. So easy to make. I do it on a frying pan and it just makes the zucchini turn into like a noodle texture. And I'm just gonna add some black pepper. It's not very pretty, but this is my dinner. Zucchini noodles, tomato basil sauce, and the beefless Garden Inn beefless beef. This is so good. Every time I make this, I'm like, why haven't I been making it more often? Because it tastes like pasta. But you don't feel guilty because it's not really pasta, it's vegetables. Oh my God, so good. By the way, the zucchini, I added black pepper to season it. And then the beefless meat crumble, I did add adobo to give it some flavor. Hello, good morning. Ooh. I spent this morning getting work done on the computer. I know, super boring. I'm gonna take a little break. Just to give myself a break because I feel like I've been staring at a screen for so long. And I kind of want a change of scenery. I have to go to Target and I'm also trying to get ready. And I also have to take Max outside. If he hears me say the word outside, he'll go crazy. So yeah, I have to take him out before I head to Target. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to get some work done at Barnes & Noble. Like just sit down there and do the rest of my computer work. Because I'm feeling like I need a major change of scenery. Anyways, I don't really feel like doing my makeup today. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the CC cream by It Cosmetics. This is the medium tan one. I feel like it gives you kind of like the perfect coverage for everyday use. Okay, I need a smaller brush for this. Max, what are you doing? Stay right here, bubs. Stay right here. I also need a lash refill desperately. You know what? I had leftover blush on this, so when I did my makeup yesterday. We'll do a little lip liner, and I think we will be good to go. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Liner. I kind of use it like as my base lip liner. Sometimes I'll use it alone and sometimes I'll add another lip liner on top. It just depends on how I'm feeling. I think I might add another lip liner on top today. I'm gonna do the Kat Von D Bow and Arrow. I actually just ran out, it won't go up anymore. So I'm gonna have to go get a new lip liner. Max, come here, baby. Come here. What's up with his hair? His hair is a greasy mess. You know what? We're just gonna tuck it. Do the good old tuck. And look, I look more decent. I literally, oh my God, I did like the easiest makeup. CC cream, lip liner, leftover blush, and I'm good to go. I look like I tried. We did kind of try. Do you wanna go outside? 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 You want to go outside? All right, let's go. I figure since I have my coat on, I'm just going to go to Target now. And I'm not going to go to Barnes & Noble. I'm just going to do my work here. Because I just can't focus. I have to plan it out if I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble. I'm so extra, I know. But I'm going to give Max a little Kong with peanut butter so he doesn't go crazy when I leave. And I am going to eat a banana for a snack. Now that I got in my car, it doesn't feel cold at all. Like I'm kind of hot. I'm a little too bundled now. I just got back from Target and I actually ended up finding 2 cute tops. I'm gonna do like a separate haul maybe tomorrow because I got stuff from Target today, last week when I was in Jersey, and I got some stuff from H&M. So I think I'm gonna do like a haul tomorrow, like a vlog style haul. I think that'll be fun instead of like a regular sit down vlog. I'm also starving. I'm gonna heat up my lunch from yesterday, the zucchini pasta with the beefless beef. That came out so good yesterday, so I cannot wait to have it right now again. So I just finished having lunch. It was delicious. I feel energized. Now I'm gonna make a little bit of my detox water, which is literally just water and like a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I like to add lemon to it also, but I don't have any lemons right now, so we're just gonna do the water and apple cider vinegar. Oh yeah, I tasted. By the way, I got this tumbler from Starbucks. It's literally, it's just matte black and it says Starbucks on it, nothing special. Okay guys, today we're gonna attempt to make a different dinner. I've never made this before, but I'm gonna be making cauliflower rice and then just beans, which I have made before. This is how the cauliflower looks. Honestly, it doesn't taste bad. It's not like, oh my God, it's the most amazing tasting thing in the world, but it's good. I think it's gonna taste good with the beans. The beans take forever to cook, so I'm not gonna show you them in this video because I actually gotta edit this vlog. All right guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Look at me.